In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to embed the Whop checkout onto your own website and create an external link for your affiliates to use and attribute that sale to your affiliates using the Whop embedded checkout. So we're going to have multiple tabs open. The first one being our affiliates tab, where we're going to actually create our external link. Then we're going to also have our checkout links open because we're going to need to create an embedded checkout. We're going to have the designer open so we can design our embedded checkout. We're going to have our page builder open so that we can embed that checkout onto our page. This could be go high level, this could be ClickFunnels, Webflow, so have that open as well. And then we're also going to have this document open with our code snippet that we're going to use that is going to track that URL parameter with the affiliate we are trying to attribute the sale to. So first we're going to start in this tab where we're going to create our embedded checkout. I'm going to go here, go to details. I'm going to grab that plan ID and then I'm going to go design this checkout. I'm going to go to open builder. I'm just going to choose pricing here, add the plan ID. I don't really want to do anything crazy. I'm content with this looking pretty simple. So I'm going to generate the embed code and copy that. I'm going to go over to my embedded checkout page, which is going to be on Go High Level. And I've already added an HTML element, but what you do want to do on another website, wherever you are, is just get either a code element or an HTML element, which kind of looks something like this. Just drag it over to your page and then open the code editor. I've already copied this code here, so you're just going to go ahead and paste that code here and save. Now, after you do this, you're going to want to go to the document that has this script. You're just going to copy this. This is what is going to grab that, again, that affiliate from the URL parameter. We're going to go back to our builder, open up the code, and then I'm just literally going to enter a few times, and then I'm going to paste that code right below. That's literally all you need to do. Now, if you want to look inside this code, you can see a few things just so you kind of have for reference. Your plan ID is here, so if you ever need to change that, it's super easy. You just paste your new plan ID here if you wanted to change that plan later on. If you want to choose a different color, maybe for a different page, you want to use this exact same code, you can go ahead and change that here. We do have in our documentation what colors we allow, so you can go ahead and put that here. If you wanted to change the light or dark background, right now we have light, we have dark, which is going to be black, or we have system, which will change with the computer depending on if it's on a light mode or a dark mode. From there, you're just going to leave all of this the way that it is, and you're just going to save it, and you're going to save this page. Now we're going to go to our affiliate tab, and we're going to create our external link. So if you go to the affiliate side and you go into assets, so say you are an affiliate of your own business and you go into assets, you can see all of the different links that I would have as an affiliate and what those look like. So here it's where it's going to show up is external. And then if I go over here and I copy this, this is going to take me to that Wi-Fi designer site that I set up, but it's masking the URL. And so it appears as though it's Whop, but then when I actually paste it, it's going to show up as Wi-Fi designer. And then as you can see, because this is my affiliate code and I copied it, it's going to say A equals my name. And so this is a really easy way to just have your affiliates grab that link, and then it's going to just naturally attribute to them. So now once I'm in here, I've obviously already saved this. You can see I went to this link, everything is already saved. You're not going to see anything, but what's happening is it's tracking it on the back end. And so now when I go through and I check out, that affiliate is going to be attributed to me in my dashboard. So let's do a checkout just to see how this will show up, and then I'll show you guys the way that it shows up in the actual affiliate portal. Okay, so now I've gone through and done an actual checkout. I just need to verify my identity, and then we're gonna head over to the affiliate portal. Okay, so now I've made the payment and I've come back to my actual affiliate dashboard, and I can see down here that this $5 payment was made, the commission was 50 cents, and then the company, the user, and the date it was created. So that is how you set up embedded code with affiliate attribution using external links and your own custom domain.